Today in the workshop we have another Liberty Walk project. This time it's the RX7. This car has undergone the full works. Full Liberty Walk body kit, crazy wheels, air ride, everything you can imagine. Just a standard Liberty Walk project. This is a level that they're setting. It needs to be washed, prepped, the design needs to be finished off, get all the files cut, printed, laid out on the car and installed. We've got to get this car ready for collection by tomorrow night so that Jimmy can load it up on the trailer, head straight over to Germany, straight to Essen. The car's going to be unveiled on Blackfish's stand and we're going to be meeting them there. Right, we're on the final day and it looks like we're working into the night. We've got to get this car finished, ready to be unveiled at Essen next week. So we've started placing the graphics. Andy has been working at getting the stripes laid down the passenger side of the car. As you can see, we've placed the graphics on this side. The Inozetek purple has been knifeless taped over the rear arch. End plates have been PPF'd. Graphics laid on the spoiler, across the rear bumper. And if you come around to this side, you'll see that the graphics have actually been laid on. Still a few more to add. Obviously we've got the stripes that actually come up and over and down the rear arch. But we've got to get this car done tonight because it's going to be loaded on the trailer, taken to Essen, where we're going to go out there and get to see the car be unveiled.
To 9 eating sushi.
Have you dropped salmon in this car? We've made it. We're here in Essen, and it's just a mind-blowing event. We've battled through snow, train cancellations, the roads. 4 hours later, after landing in Calais, we get to actually see the RX7 under the light in the main hall. Just look at it. It is incredible. Come around. When it comes to actually doing the main stripe around the front of the car and over the arches, Andy's basically laid a template out of other cuts of vinyl, made a template, then placed knifeless tape all the way around, done the strips down to the first section, the whole piece is another section there, and then another section there, to actually make it seamless, symmetrical, and look like it's paint over the car. And then when it comes to the rear arch, instead of just having the blocks of line across the actual front, the face of the actual body kit, he's knifeless taped it in to actually take the curve of the car. So it gives it a whole wider rear arch. With the actual car, where we haven't had to wrap the whole car, Colourcraft done an incredible job on getting the car ready, because the paint is just flawless for us. So it turned out to be very time consuming. The stripes took the most time to actually get them to cut, laid on and finish. And he worked many late nights, and yeah, it was just a lot of stress, but it was well worth it because the final product speaks for itself. Now this project's complete with Jimmy on our behalf. It's going to go back to the UK. It's going to be finally dialed in, get everything done, and then it's ready for show season 2024. And hopefully there'll be some more projects coming up like this, or even crazier, from Liberty Walk and Colourcraft in the coming months. Now we've seen our main reason for coming over to Essen. Now it is time to enjoy this crazy place and hopefully spend not too much money. Cool to see this one as well from the UK. Another auto finesse car that we've done. Full graphics on. It's recently got some new white wheels, and it gets sent hard. This car gets sent. We had this car arrive to us about 6 months ago. Another Liberty Walk GTR. Yes, this had the John Player special for chrome cars. This car was unveiled at Ultra Race 23, and here it is today at Essen. It's just cool to see another project that we've been able to work on actually in a European show as well. Essen 2023 is done. Thank you for joining us and following the RX7 build. It's been incredible to see it from start to finish, actually seeing it being displayed for everyone to actually go and see. It's been an incredible show, and we're 100% coming out next year.